Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Candle Cosmetic in Gold Garden game of Roblox new Gold Garden update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I already have this Candle Cosmetic on my garden and I'm going to show you how we can get it guys. So if you want to get the candle, you need to buy the spooky crate from the Halloween market, which appear every hour. Okay, you can go to the cosmetic NPC and you can talk to him, and then you can buy the spooky crate. Okay, and after you have the spooky crate, you will have possibility or chance to get the candle. Okay, and the function of this candle guys is for the secret ritual. So you will need 2 candles to do the secret ritual with the hex serpent pet. Okay, you can use the spooky crate and place it on your garden, then you will have chance to get candle. Okay guys, and that's how we can get candle in Gold Garden game of Roblox Gold Garden update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.